Well, hello everybody. Thanks coming back to Mixed Wild Retirement Adventure. Today we do have an adventure. Holy moly, man. Last weekend or Saturday or whatever, I put my ice fishing house out on the lake, and they said we were gonna get, 3 to 5 inches, maybe 6. Holy man. I just talked to one of my customers. He got 16 inches of snow. And what that does is it pushes the ice down, because the weight of the snow is so heavy, it pushes the ice down and it floods the lake. So I'm afraid of what I'm going to run into when I get up there, man. It's going to be bad. You couldn't even run a snowmobile. You couldn't run a four-wheeler. You'd get stuck in the slush. So I got to see what's going on when I get up there. What you do is you got to block your fish house up so it's off out of the slush, or once it freezes solid, it'll freeze right into the slush and you can't get it out. So I'm going up to the cabin by myself for the week. I got the week off. Lori's gonna come up and the kids are coming up for Christmas later on, but for now I got a little bit of an adventure trying to block that stupid fish house up. I wanted to fish all week, so hopefully I can get it all fixed. I'll bring you along and we'll see how it goes. For now, roads are good. Down here where I live, we got about 7 inches, but up there they said 16 inches. That's crazy. So, bring you along, see how it goes. All right, the roads are ice covered and slippery. Haven't gone the speed limit yet. Lots of cars in the ditch back ways. So just taking it easy, trying to get there. Remember I told you I've got a pile of snow here. Look at that. That's higher than my truck. That's 3 times higher than my truck. Holy moly, man. They got some snow piled up here in Bemidji. Actually, this is Brainerd. Man, that's some snow pile there. All right, made it to the cabin. Took me 3 hours. Normally takes 2. It is howling winds. I'm gonna step around the corner here. It's a blizzard. I haven't been in a blizzard for a while, but if you go around this corner, look at the drifting right here. Probably might not be able to tell it, but oh man, it is howling across the lake. Bad. You've seen this in the summertime. That's the wintertime, man. It is howling. Whew, cold. It's about 9 degrees out Fahrenheit. And I'm going back in because that wind makes it very cold with the wind chill. All right, I'm gonna hang out today. I was gonna go out there fishing, but not today. Alright, hello everybody. I got the fish house out. I've got a couple things out there. I had to plow a path out to it because it snows so deep. Snow's trying to get out of here. Well, I'll show you the top of the garage. Probably 12 inches of snow already. I said they got 16 yesterday, but there's the top of the garage. Right up there, so at least 12 inches. So I have the four-wheeler set up. I gotta get the dog sled out of here. Dog sled's in the back of the truck, so get that assembled. Alright, that's a little mini dog sled. I've had this cabin a long time, and that dog sled comes from the guy I bought it from. So it's just good for carrying all your gear out there, your fishing rods, heaters, things of that nature. So I got to tighten all this stuff up, I'll load it up, and then take you along. That's a nice little ride, eh? Holy moly, we filled the sled up. You put the wood down. You put the wood down so the propane tank doesn't stick to the ice. We got that good. This goes out the hole here. Put steel wool in there so the mice don't get in, right? I think so. Glowing like she should, right? Alright everybody, man oh man, it just isn't going to stop snowing. It's just snowing, snowing, snowing. So I got the snow, or the four-wheeler all going with tracks. Got the, what do you call it, the dog sled behind it. So I'm going to take off and go out and do some fishing, try and get some slab crappies. So now it's slab crappie time. We'll see how she goes. I'm going to go out there and bring you out. We'll see how it goes. See you out there. Alright, I just got here. Just got my line down. And I got a crappie already. Man, so aggressive. Let's see how it is. Oh yeah, look at that. Nice little guy. Huh? Nice little guy. I'll take him. Here, I'll see him right there. This little guy, he came in a bit right away. I mean, that jig went down and he was on it. I'm actually going to let this one go. See if we can get some nice ones. He was on it immediately upon me getting that thing down there. When I put the locator down, I saw him down there right away. So we're going to see how this does. All I want's about 5. Limit's 10. I'm just going to get 5. That way I can come out tomorrow morning. Might even have a fish fry tomorrow. We'll see. So, alright. Central Minnesota Lake. Going after some crappies. You know, I got a little pink one on this one. Pink glow, some type. Alright, one's gonna hit that set bobber right there. You can see him down there. Oh, he hit it. See, look at that bobber go down. There he goes. There he goes. He's got it. Boom. Oh, another nice one. Holy moly, man. Oh, another slab crappie. Holy man. Whew. Look at that one. Another nice big crappie. Look at that one. Another nice big crappie. That's probably 11 incher. Man, there's still more down there. Holy moly. I'm going to keep that one too. That's a beauty. Straighten these lines out. I can see them down there. Another nice crappie, eh? Another beauty. Whew. Big one. They are biting, man. Holy moly, there's always crappies down there, always. That's 5. I'm gonna have to have a fish fry tomorrow. Can't believe this one hasn't gone down yet. For some reason they like this other jig better, a little smaller. Maybe that's it. I'm gonna run to Fleet Farm tomorrow and get some smaller jigs like that. Alright, here's one coming up to look at it. Oh, he popped it. They're gonna get him right now. There we go, got him. Nice big heavy fish again. Man, oh man. These are some nice slab crappies. Whew. Littler one, just a tough little fish. Nice little crappie right there, huh? I'm gonna let that one go. Fishing slab crappies here, central Minnesota. Didn't do very good during the muzzleloader season, but kicking butt on the crappies. Holy moly, man. We are doing good. I'm gonna keep that one too. It's another 11 incher. So I'm getting about 10, 11 inchers. Oh, man. They're really liking these little tiny glow jigs. If I can show you there, right there. Little glow jigs, man, they're just pounding it. They're constantly down there. Another beautiful crappie. Huh? Look at that. Beautiful. Let me turn this camera off. Another beautiful slabber. 10, 11 incher. Take that all day long. Had one on this one too. I'll count here in a second. Alright, so I think I got 6. I gotta count them, 6 crappies. It's not all the big ones. I'm just gonna keep 1 or 2 more and then get out of here. Have a fish fry tomorrow. So I can come out again tomorrow night. Might even have a fish fry tonight. We'll see how it goes. That thing didn't even hit the water. There's already one on it. Oh my god. He's still on there or not, but yeah, yes. God, that bobber did not even hit the water. And he was already on it. Look at that. Beauty, man. What a beauty. Beautiful fish. I'm out of here. Alright, another beautiful crappie. Another one, another 10 incher. All these are 10s. I'm going to get out of here. That's enough for one night. What fun is that, huh? Fish fry tomorrow. Do that for you. Probably before I come out, I'll have a fish fry. So, that's it. Took about 2 hours and I got 6 or 7. I don't know. I know I'm more than legal, so that's that. Well, that's a wrap. Bunch of nice crappies and we are done for the night. Whew. Could stay out here all night and do catch and release, but I'm gonna head in, so that's that. Hope you enjoyed fishing. Oops. Oh, I got another one on this other line. I can see it's going down. Man, it's still snowing. Holy moly. Is it gonna stop or what? We got so much snow. Look at those piles. More on top of the roof yet too. I'd love to get this four-wheeler in the garage, but I don't think I got enough room to get her in there. So I don't know what I'm gonna do. Back her up, I guess. Cover it with a tarp maybe. Leave her like that. Maybe brush her off a little bit and see how she goes. Maybe take the key and put her on the dresser in there. Come on and shut that garage door. Sled will be alright right there. Alright. That was a good night of fishing. Alright, I said they were 11 inches. It's probably more like 12 inches. That's a 12-inch ruler right there. So, 12-inch crappies. Those are slabs. I just kept enough for dinner to lunch tomorrow. So, flay these up. Have enough for lunch tomorrow. It's Piper Dog. So, that fillet knife is 11.5 inches long. So that tells you how long these crappies are. 11.5 inches. I just measured the fillet knife. Slab crappies during a blizzard. God, there's got to be 18 inches of snow out there. It was hard for my four-wheeler to go through it. I'd plow it and it would just fall back into where I just came from. So that's a 11.5, 12-inch crappie right there. Going to be some good eating tomorrow for lunch. All right, take two. Piper decided to start playing with one of her Christmas presents as I started talking. So the crappies are all filleted, as I said. And what I'll do now is crappies are kind of a soft meat, even out of cold ice water. So I'll rinse them really good in ice cold water. Then I'm going to put them in a little bit of salt water and put them in the fridge for a couple hours. I'll take them out before I go to bed and rinse them off real good. It just firms the meat up a little bit. I like doing that just because they're soft fish. So that's what I'll do. Rinse them off really good in ice cold water so there's no more blood on them at all. Put them in a little bit of salt. Let them sit for a couple hours. Again, rinse all the salt off of them. Put them in the fridge. And I'm going to have lunch tomorrow. This will be my lunch. In the refrigerator they go. So, before I go to bed, I'll take them out. And they'll be nice and white and firm, and then I'll have them for dinners. Here they go. Venison brats David and I made last spring. If you remember that. Perfect time for it. Up north during the blizzard. Got done fishing crappies. Venison brats. Alright. Well, it's about 10:15. I'm ready for bed. And it is about 0 outside right now. Stopped snowing finally. But it is 0. A little windy. So headed to bed. Good night, everyone. See you in the morning. It's been a beautiful day. Alright, I just used a simple breading. Cook them in canola oil, low in cholesterol. Then I'll put them in the oven at a low temp, 150 or something. And while I cook the other ones, if there's any residual oil, it will drain out. That way they're not soaked in oil. Run the heat at about 370 while I fry. I'll show you when they're done.